Hi, my name is Alex. I'm an English teacher here at St Clair's, and this summer I'll be teaching on the IB Introduction course.
Hi, my name's Sophie and I'm an IB English and IB Theatre teacher here at St Clair's IB World School, and this summer I'll be teaching on the IB Intro course for teenagers, which I'm really looking forward to.
Hi, my name is Gillian and I'm a physics teacher to our IB students here at St Clair's all year round. This summer I'll be teaching the science component of the Intro to IB course. This course will introduce you to the IB approach to learning, which means that you'll be developing the IB learner traits such as being open-minded and taking risks through our science study.
It's a 3-week introductory course to the IB diploma. So in week 1 we'll be focusing on English language and literature, boosting their language skills and their analytical skills for analysing literature. And then weeks 2 and 3 they've got arts and humanities and then maths and science. So it's a real kind of holistic view as to what to expect on the IB diploma. And running through those 3 weeks, there'll be theory of knowledge classes as well. And basically what that is developing critical thinking skills, analysing sources, thinking about what are credible sources to use, and why do we know what we know.
Students can expect a really dynamic and fulfilling academic experience whilst also having a lot of fun in their learning. I think that this offers a fantastic introduction to IB English teaching. All of us here are IB teachers all year round, so I think that we bring in our experiences. So when I'm teaching IB English, I also bring in my experience as a IB theatre and drama teacher, so there's a lot of role play, there's a lot of drama activities, discussion, debate, so that when we're approaching writers like Carol Ann Duffy or even Shakespeare, we do it in the most academically challenging way in some ways, but also making sure that their activities are engaging for students and really creative. And I think another thing that we are really keen to do is build writing skills with some key areas we can develop vocabulary and academic English and so on, but also our whole course is based around discussion and debate.
Students don't necessarily need any sort of prior knowledge of the IB diploma to join. I think having a hungry mind, a curious mind, willing to collaborate with others and learn is much more important. Yes, some of our students from summer courses do end up to study the IB here and in other colleges too. Having a good level of English, being able to access the material that we study, willing to learn and collaborate with others is, I suppose, the kind of real necessity of this. So if they're hungry to learn, they're really going to get a lot from this course.
English is the language of the classroom, and what's fantastic is that we have students from all over the world with different levels of English all coming together. So some of our students are native English speakers, first language speakers, but for many of our students they speak a wealth of languages. English is one of their very strong languages. So all these students come together and help each other to develop their academic English.
By developing the skills that will allow you to approach the IB successfully. So as we said before, risk-taking, communication, problem-solving, those sorts of skills.
What's unique here is that you have IB specialist teachers who are committed to their students all year round and in the summer, and we replicate our IB World School here in our summer programme. But that also means that you get access to the career service, which is really world leading, and so the students that come here in the summer really enjoy that experience of finding out more about careers and higher education and having that whole holistic view on their education that they get while they're here. So it's excellent preparation for IB study, but we're looking further into the future than that for higher education, university and careers.
Some great highlights of the course are the first afternoon we do a literary walking tour through Oxford, an amazing city which I think is incredibly impressive to walk around. We do a Shakespeare visit. We watch a play at one of the beautiful gardens of an Oxford college, which is a stunning and memorable thing to watch. Last year we also visited an art gallery and spoke to the artist, and that interaction with the students was something that none of them had done before. I think also being in an international mix in this campus at this college has its own kind of brand of magic. You know, the campus is buzzing, there's lots of other courses going on at the same time. And so on top of all the things that we learn in the classroom, there's the opportunity to mix with so many different students from so many different parts of the world. And that sort of social side with lots of activities and excursions, the ability to visit places like London, Bristol, Birmingham, but also to play sports, to maybe socialise, is one of the key aspects of our summer courses.
The trip to Bletchley Park is a real highlight for me. You get to see the code-breaking machines in action, which is really amazing. And it's incredible to think of how far computer technology's come since the 40s. They're huge, these machines. So this is a trip that links science and history, which of course is very appropriate to the IB, and links to the TOK project that you'll be doing.
What's really important to bring is a laptop, because all of our learning is technology-based around the Microsoft programs. So to really delve into the experience, students need to be able to access all of that.
I think it's really exciting to study science in the city where the likes of Dorothy Hodgkins made her famous discoveries, and our courses emphasise both the practical and theoretical aspects of the course, which of course are both important for scientific advances, and looking at how scientists can be confident of their discoveries.
It's a college designed for 16 to 18-year-olds, so it's very much an adult and exciting learning environment with the technology to support learning. I know, for example, in the art studio, they're using iPads, and we have iMacs and the whole wealth of kind of technology we can use in the classroom. The labs are first rate in our new bespoke facilities. And for the English students, I'm also often looking at things from a drama point of view, so we get out into larger spaces where we can experiment with our learning and doing role plays and that kind of thing. So I think we've got ideal facilities here, and we're right on the doorstep of the fantastic area of Summertown and really close to city centre, so I think we have a wealth of places that we can really allow our students to thrive in their learning.
I hope the students go away from our course thinking what an amazing investment in their time and in their future, having made great friends, having made great memories, and I suppose above all in the classroom, learning that their intellectual development can be fun, it can be a place where they blossom and thrive, and where they can combine those subjects in a true IB way. And I hope that gives them a flavour of maybe they'll come and be at St Clair's for the full IB diploma. That would be a great thing. But also I hope they learn the kind of skills, tips and techniques that they can take on wherever they go, so they continue to be lifelong learners, and they look back and they think, my time at St Clair's was an incredible time and I'm so glad I came.